Global food crisis may be less than a decade away. So we have all listened about that by 2050, the production of food will be less than the needed, will be higher than the needed. So researchers and the TED Talk about we have searched in class, it explains that this may be less than a decade away. This may be some of the consequences that we will be having about this problem. One of the main problems may be recalled on the things that we are eating and also the way we are producing and feeding our animals. We are producing to exaggerate calories in the terms of feeding of animals. So most of our animals are fed with grains and calories like seeds that they can be also feed people. In this way, our consuming protein has been larger in the past few years. By a consequence of this, we are having higher levels of food insecurity. This can be recalled in the production of United States, and also it can be explained by one simple production of a Big Mac that it has around 563 calories. This means that around the world we can produce about 379 billion Big Macs by 2027. This is more than McDonald's has ever produced in the past years. So why it is happening this? There is too much calories produced and consumed in this country, United States. Also, the demand on proteins is getting higher every year. We have a change on the consuming of animals that we feed for proteins. And this may be causing the high food insecurity that we're experimenting right now and will be experimenting around 10 years. The fact that by 2050 there will be a higher food insecurity while the production will be less than the needed of food is not that certain. Around 10 years from now we'll be having this eventual food insecurity and we'll be having problems. How we can change this? We can change this by producing more calories and consuming less proteins and feeding our animals with different type of foods. We'll need a change on our demand of foods and what we are feeding our animals.